Okay, hey, how are you? Okay, so I'm Pam. I'm one of the well-being coaches.
Hi, I'm Tori.
And so I just want to say we're here to introduce this Calm Kit, okay? And we want to have this bag be useful to you and your center. So I want to introduce kind of just what this is about, and then we're going to dive into each one individually and just kind of walk you through this. So this Calm Kit is just a tool to help with stress, with helping kind of calm you down. So if maybe let's just say the kiddos have really just gotten you worked up, and you need to take a few minutes just to kind of recenter, recompose yourself, this little bag might just be the key. And so we want to be able to help you walk through it. So each element, there's 3 little elements in here that we're going to walk you through and just kind of guide you. And so we're going to just be alongside of you. Just picture us in the room with you as you walk through this kit. Okay, so I just kind of want to introduce it. So when you open it up, you're going to see that there is a smell, there is a sound, and then there is a touch. And so these are just some really cool ways to, again, just bring you back to a different level, to a more balanced state of mind, because, you know, life hits you, work hits you, and we don't want to react off of those emotions, and we want to be able to make better decisions. Also, there are these quick little information cards. Again, if you just want to know exactly step by step, you can read these cards, but we're going to walk you through, and all you have to do is click on the QR codes, and we're going to do each one individually, and we're just going to experience it with you. We're just going to kind of show you how we would use it, and then you can kind of make this your own and adapt it to your liking. Okay, so we'll see you back in a little bit.